All right, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I did not think I would be making this video this fast, but as you can see on the screen, my withdrawals have already been approved. The time and date is right here that I did it and processed the withdrawal. You can even see in my email, here it is right here. Your withdrawal request for 5,400 has been approved, and that was fast. Damn. 4:35. What time is it? I actually confirmed my withdrawal 2 hours ago. You see up here 3:49 2 hours ago. That's when I confirmed it. As far as the update on when it got approved an hour ago. So they actually approved this within an hour for 5 bands. That's low key wild. All right, so Hanko actually gave me my money. The money is in my bank account. So like I said, I trade Forex and futures. It's the same thing, it's just on different platforms for risk management purposes. If you want to trade with Hanko, I'm going to drop a link down below in the description if you want to sign up with them. It's not financial advice, of course. Like, whatever you do with your money, you do at your own risk. I'm just showing you and telling you what I did. So yeah, man, I fuck with it. And until the next video, out.